Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. If you like my videos, please like, share and subscribe to my channel Maths and Statistics Tutor channel. Today's class is Maths class, mathematical class. Today's topic is fractions. The definition of a fraction is when we divide the whole into equal parts, each part is a fraction of the whole. Here, one apple is divided into two equal parts. Each part is denoted by 1 by 2. 1 by 2, 1 by 2. So, this is the half of the apple and this is the half of the apple. 1 by 2 is a fraction here. In another example, if we divide the whole part into 4 equal parts, then each part will be 1 by 4, 1 by 4, 1 by 4 and 1 by 4. These are the 4 parts we have divided. So 1 by 4 is a fraction here. 1 is numerator and 4 is denominator. Fractions are 3 types. First one is proper fractions, improper fractions and mixed fractions. Proper fractions. These are the examples for proper fractions. 3 by 4, 7 by 8, 5 by 6 and 4 by 5. Here two conditions should satisfy. First one is fraction should be less than 1. 3 by 4 is less than 1. 7 by 8 is less than 1. Like that, in proper fraction, that fraction should be, if that value should be less than 1, then only that fraction will be called proper fraction. And second condition is numerator should be less than the denominator. Here 3 is less than 4, like that. Here we are taking two examples. First one, here we are taking two examples. First one, we are taking this fraction 5 by 8. We are taking this fraction 5 by 8 and now we are going to draw the picture for this fraction. If we divide the whole part into 8 equal parts, if we divide the whole part into 8 equal parts, then 5 parts are shaded. Here 5 parts are shaded. Here is the diagram for 5 by 8 fraction. 5 parts are shaded and all the parts are, number of parts are 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So here in numerator shaded part 5, in denominator all the parts 8. This is the example for proper fraction. And one more example, this is the diagram. We are converting this diagram into fraction value. Here 3 parts are there, 1, 2, 3. 3 parts are there. So we are going to put the value 3 in denominator and one part is shaded. So 1 by 3. These two are the examples for proper fractions. Now coming to improper fractions. These are the improper fractions. These are the improper fractions. 7 by 3, 9 by 4, 6 by 5, etc. These are the two conditions for improper fractions. First one is fraction value should be greater than 1 and numerator should be greater than 1. 7 by 3 value is greater than 1, 9 by 4 is greater than 1, 6 by 5 is greater than 1, like that. Now we are taking one example here. Here we are taking one example. 10 by 3. This is an improper fraction. Numerator is greater than denominator and fraction value is also greater than. 10 by 3 means it will come around 3.33 like that. So that value is greater than, this value is greater than 1. Now we are converting this fraction into picture diagram. See, this is the circle. I have divided the circle into 8 parts and these are the two other values. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 parts and 3 whole parts. 1, 2, 3. So whole parts will be in the denominator and number of parts are in the numerator. Like that. Here 2 whole parts are there. So whole parts are in the denominator and shaded parts are the numerator. These are the improper fractions examples. Now coming to mixed fractions. In mixed fractions means in the name itself, mixed fraction means it's a mixed function of integer and fraction. Integer plus fraction. Here 2 means two whole values. Two whole circles 1 and 2. After that 1 by 2 means one whole circle. In that shaded part is half. So 2 into 1 by 2. The diagrammatic representation of 2 into 1 by 2 mixed fraction is this. This is the diagrammatical representation of the integer of the mixed fraction. Here 1 into 1 by 3. 1 into 1 by 3. 1 whole circle. After that 2 by 3. 2 by 3 means here 3 whole parts, 3 parts in the 2 shaded parts. So 2 divided by 3. This is nothing but mixed fractions. Now we can convert the mixed fractions into improper fractions and improper fractions into mixed fractions. Now I am taking the example for mixed fraction. 1 into 2 by 3 is a mixed fraction. 1 is integer and 2 by 3 is a mixed fraction. Is a improper fraction. So now we need to convert this mixed fraction to improper fractions. 3 into 1 3 and 3 plus 2 5. After that in denominator 3 as it is we need to write 3. So 5 by 3 which is improper fractions. Now second example, converting the fraction value in improper fraction into mixed fraction. Now we are taking 7 by 3 improper fraction. We need to convert the 7 by 3 into mixed fraction. 7, 3, 3 2s are 6, 1 will be the value. After that this value, this one we have one formula, quotient into remainder divided by divisor. Here quotient is 2 and remainder is 1 and divisor is 3. So 2 into 1 by 3, like that we need to write. So in this class I have explained about fractions. In fractions are 3 types. One is proper fractions, improper fractions and mixed fractions. There are 3 types of fractions. One is proper, improper and mixed fractions. Proper fractions means proper fraction value should be less than 1 and numerator is less than denominator. In improper fractions, fraction should be greater than 1 and numerator should be greater than denominator. Mixed fraction means it's a combination of integer and improper fractions. Three concepts I have explained. After that I told this conversion a mixed to improper and improper to mixed. Mixed to improper means just multiply with 3 into 1 plus 3 plus 2. 5 divided by 3, simple. After that improper to mixed. Take the improper fraction. After that divide the value of 7 by 3. 3 2s are 6, 1. So 1 is 1. Here 3 is quotient, 1 is remainder and 2 is 2 is quotient, 3 is divisor and 1 is remainder. This is the formula. So easily we can convert the mixed fraction to improper and improper to mixed fraction. Hope this video is clear to all. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. My channel name is Maths Statistics Tutor Channel. Thank you very much. Bye.